all about Ken Ofori-Atta's release from ICE detention. Now the news is all over Ghana that Ken Ofori-Atta has been released. All about Ken Ofori-Atta's release from ICE detention. Now the news is all over Ghana that Ken Ofori-Atta has been released from ICE detention. My brother, my sister, in America, and many people are beginning to fret. Calls are being made all over the place. The newspapers are carrying it. The blogs are carrying it. The news portals are inundated with the story. Breaking: Ken Ofori-Atta's name no longer on U.S. ICE detainee list. And the story is hot. Ghanaians are beginning to fret. Many are beginning to say, is this man going to walk free? What is going to happen to this man?
Has been released from ICE custody and detention by signed judicial order of court, and he is rejoined with his family and is home presently, taking it easy.
Can you educate us on the bail terms?
He has been released from ICE detention. With great respect, that should serve enough notification that he is out. I am not, with great respect, about to talk about the terms of bail. I don't think I have to break my client-lawyer relationship and put this out in the domain. He has been released and he's home. He has rejoined with his family and he's home. The most important thing is that he is released from ICE custody. Yes, we posted a bond application. The court has looked at it and he is now being released from custody.
Now, we know when he appeared before the judge earlier, the judge requested the U.S. authorities to produce Ghana's extradition request by February 19th. Was that done? Do you have any idea about that?
Well, when the federal lawyers who came from the Department of Justice put up that caveat, on the first day he appeared before the ICE hearing, we all saw the proceedings of that event, and they were requested to put in the request as they themselves had said to the court that the government of Ghana had put in an extradition request. On the 19th of February, in fact, they waited until the 18th of February before they put in a one-liner, just a one-liner statement that yes, an extradition request has been put in. But as to the details of the proceedings, they failed to furnish the court with the details. That was what prompted the court to have the matter adjourned to a later date in March. But that March date was overcome by events. We were supposed to have gotten back to court on the 27th of April. But as the law will have it, Ken is out today because the judicial processes and the laws in America work.
Only to be told that the man was resting in an apartment. Now, beyond that, beyond what his lawyer told us, I don't know whether he's even his lawyer, because all along too, I have been getting, or we have been receiving statements from Minka Premo. So at a point, I questioned the locus of Frank Davis in all these matters. But he was giving us the assurance, even insulting us at a point, that we didn't know what we were about.
But neither has Menka Premo or the former finance minister also said that, well, Frank Davis shouldn't be speaking for...
No, but whatever he has told has turned out to be the opposite. It is now clear that he is there fighting to have American passport, not to return to Ghana. That is all that is happening. Ghana as a country, this is the land of his birth, has actually gone to the United States, begged him to return back to his country of origin. He says no. Civil society organization, I remember, what's the name, recently, picketed at the U.S. Embassy, calling for Mr. Ofori-Atta to come, and even assuring him that when he returns, they will go and meet him at the airport and make sure that nobody harms him. He said he won't come.
But if you look at the statement from his lawyers, he says that he's committed to proper legal processes in answering questions. So how do I just oppose this and what he says, what you're saying he said he won't come?
Yeah, well, 123 ministers or so under the Nana Akufo-Addo Bawumia administration. To the best of my knowledge, almost all of them are living in this country. Some did worse things. Ajima Menu is in this country. Who is going after them? Who is hurting them?
Quite recently, the spokesperson for government said that Ajima Menu has as well been charged with some...
Yes, but they are here. At the end of the day, I respect such personalities.
Okay.
That they are ready to answer questions.
Okay.
You have been accused of National Cathedral, you have been accused of PDS, you have been accused of SML, you have been accused of ambulance deal, and you are telling us that you are not coming. Is it to say that you believe you committed those offenses? That is why you are not coming? I mean, I can't believe it.